Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 21st July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 12 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Which state recognized as best performing state under the PM SVA Nidhi scheme? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh recognized as best performing state under the Prime Minister SVA Nidhi scheme, which supports urban street vendors with collateral-free loans up to 50,000 rupees. Assam secured the second position in the Best Performing States Innovation and Best Practices Award category. Launched in June 2020, amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, the PM SVA Nidhi scheme provides microcredit to street vendors in urban areas. Question number 2. Niti Aayog set to achieve $500 billion in electronic manufacturing by which year? Answer is 2030. The National Institution for Transforming India, Niti Aayog has set an ambitious target of $500 billion in electronic manufacturing in value terms for India to be achieved by 2030. The target for finished goods manufacturing is $350 billion, while the target for components manufacturing is $150 billion. India's electronic sector has recorded impressive growth from $48 billion in domestic production in 2017 to 18 to $101 billion in 2020 to 23. Question number 3. World's first commercial passenger ferry, powered by 100% hydrogen, was launched in. Answer is San Francisco. The world's first commercial passenger ferry, powered by 100% hydrogen fuel, the MVC Change, was launched on 19 July at the San Francisco Ferry Building. The 70-foot catamaran can transport up to 75 passengers. It is the world's first commercial passenger ferry, powered entirely by zero-emission hydrogen fuel cells. Hydrogen fuel cells produce electricity by combining oxygen and hydrogen in an electrochemical reaction. Question number 4. The second phase of Khelo India Rising Talent Identification, Kirti initiative, was inaugurated in. Answer is New Delhi. Youth Affairs and Sports Minister, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, on 19 July inaugurated the second phase of Khelo India Rising Talent Identification, Kirti initiative, in New Delhi. It is aimed at streamlining the process of grassroots talent identification on a single platform. The first phase of Kirti was launched in Chandigarh on 12 March 2024. Question number 5. Who has won the Oxford Bookstore Art Book Prize 2024? Answer is Madhu Khanna. Art historian Madhu Khanna has won the second edition of the Oxford Bookstore Art Book Prize for her book, Tantra on the Edge. Instituted in collaboration with Visual Arts Gallery in 2022, the Oxford Bookstore Art Book Prize is touted to be India's only prize that recognizes outstanding contributions to the field of art books. Question number 6. Who becomes first Indian rider at World Superbike Championships? Answer is Kevin Quintal. Rider Kevin Quintal is all set to make a historic debut at the World SBK SSP 300 competitions and become the first Indian rider to participate in a World Superbike Championship. The 19-year-old Chennai star, Kevin Quintal, will be filling in for the Irish team's main rider, Spaniard Daniel Mogeda, who suffered an injury after leading the Supersport 300 class in an unfortunate crash that paved the way for the Irish team to rope in Kevin Quintal. Question number 7. Who has been conferred the Gandhi Mandala Award 2020? Answer is Rigoberta Menchú. Nobel Peace Prize laureate Rigoberta Menchú has been conferred the Gandhi Mandala Award 2020. The award was given on Nelson Mandela's 106th birth anniversary on 18 July 2024. Rigoberta Menchú's work has earned her numerous accolades, including the Nobel Peace Prize in 1992 and the Princess of Asturias Award in 1998. Question number 8. Who is the guest of honor at the prestigious Indian Film Festival of Melbourne, IFFM 2024? Answer is Ram Charan. Ram Charan, the superstar known for his stellar performance in the global blockbuster RRR, is set to be the guest of honor at the prestigious Indian Film Festival of Melbourne 2024. Ram Charan will be awarded the title of Ambassador for Indian Art and Culture at IFFM 2024. The Indian Film Festival of Melbourne is scheduled to run from August 15 to 25, 2024. This annual event is hosted by the Victorian State Government, showcasing the best of Indian cinema to Australian audiences. Question number 9. Who has been re-elected as the chairperson of PwC India? Answer is Sanjeev Krishan. PwC India announced that Sanjeev Krishan has been re-elected for a second term as chairperson of PwC in India for 4 years, beginning 1 April 2025. Krishan, whose first term as chairperson started on 1 January 2021, joined PwC in 1991 as an article trainee. He will also continue to serve on the PwC Global Strategy Council. Question number 10. Who is set to become the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? Answer is Udayanidhi Stalin. Udayanidhi Stalin, son of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, is all set to be the state's Deputy Chief Minister before 22 August 2024. Udayanidhi Stalin was elected as a member of the Legislative Assembly, MLA, from the Cheppok Thiruvallikeni constituency in 2021. The move aims to ease the workload of his father, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, and ensure smoother governance. Question number 11. Who has been reappointed as Congress's deputy leader in Lok Sabha? Answer is Gaurav Gogoi. The Indian National Congress Party on 14 July wrote to the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla to inform him of the appointment of Gaurav Gogoi as the party's deputy leader in the House. Alongside this announcement, MP Kodikunil Suresh has been appointed as the Chief Whip, while Congress MPs Manickam Tagore and MD Javed have been named as whips. Earlier, the party appointed Rahul Gandhi as the leader of opposition. Question number 12. Who has been named as the brand ambassador for MotoGP India? Answer is Shikhar Dhawan. Former Indian cricketer Shikhar Dhawan has been named the brand ambassador for MotoGP India. The 2024 Grand Prix of India was initially scheduled for September 20th to 22nd but has now been postponed to March 2025. The race will take place at the Buddh International Circuit, BIC, in Greater Noida. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.